This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Ford Focus key. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Next, carefully examine your key fob to find the small slot, usually located near the key ring attachment point. This slot is where we will begin the process of opening the key. Now, with your small flathead screwdriver, gently insert the tip into the slot you just located. Apply a slight, steady pressure. Then, carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, ensuring not to force it to fully open the casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place all around the edge. Finally, test your key fob's lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.